What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, please know that this is not financial advice. You can do whatever you like with your own money. I mean, like I said, I'm a little bit overexcited right now. But before we go into today's topic, let's take a sip of orange juice from my Casper Maxi mug. Everything tastes better with Casper. Today's topic is so exciting, man. A couple of hours ago, what did I tell you? You remember my last video? What did I tell you? Those of you who were busy selling their spot position, I bet you regret it now. What did I tell you? Dumps are a natural thing that happen very naturally every bull run. It's normal. Okay, but before we continue, as always, let's take a look at all the overall market and specifically take a look at the coins that we are trading in this millionaire journey. You know, the journey we go from zero to a millionaire status. So let's take a look at the King, Casper, take a look at Quant, and take a look at Jasmine. Those are the three coins that I chose to leverage trade on this bull run. Okay, but first let's take a look at the crypto bubbles to see the overall market. Let's go. Okay, as you can see, the king himself, the king is up for the day 8.3% for the day. Ain't that something? Look at that. Jasmine is getting ready to run. The same. Those of you who thought that Quant was dead, look at Quant. What did I tell you? Quant is going to surprise a lot of you. So the three coins that we are trading in this millionaire journey, they are all up. Quant is 0.9%. Casper is up 8.3%. And Jasmine, see that? Jasmine is up 3.8%. Even Ondo Finance, like I told you guys, Ondo Finance, we're using Ondo Finance for the trading fees on exchanges. Ondo is up too. So now let's go for the first coin. We're going to look at King Casper on my trading view. So let's go Casper here. Trading view, Casper. Oh my goodness. Did anybody remember what we talked about this morning? Let me bring my arrow out because I do remember this morning. Okay, let me bring my arrow. This morning, the price was right here. The price was retesting this downward resistance. And I remember telling you guys, we are going to break it, turn it into support, and go test the moving average. Now you can see it. Casper broke off, formed this blue bull flag, broke above the ribbon. Look at that. Broke above, came and retest the ribbon, and now here we go. The next target is going to be the all-time high. Like I told you guys, we need to retest that all-time high all the way up that I think close to 20 cents. Okay, let me go to the 4 hours so maybe you will see it better. See? As clockwork, I told you guys when the dump was happening yesterday, people were panicking, and I said this line, I have this line drawn here at 14 cents. This line is gonna be the major support. So you saw the price dumped, came to our major support line up, and then we had this resistance that we kept battling. And I remember telling you guys this morning, you see this doji Star Wars candle? That is the reversal sign. We broke above the resistance, retested, and now we are going above the ribbon. After above the ribbon, we are now going to retest 17-18 cents. That resistance right there. I'm telling you guys, we are going to break it. Going to break the all-time high at 20 cents because the move, the entire move, when you go to the daily, okay, this entire move is forming a larger bull flag. See? This entire move is forming this larger bull flag, and the target for this, when you put it together, the target is 25 cents. But we already know what Casper usually do. Casper usually jumps, and Casper will go, instead of 25, we're probably looking at 30 cents. Okay, so you better get ready, guys. Okay, get ready, because this, with the ecosystem launching, 30 cents is probably going to be like chopped into pieces in no time. With the smart contract launch and everything else, I think minimum we're about to see in the short term is 60 cents of Casper. Okay, now that being said, let's look at our quant. Quant, keep ticket symbol QNT, and I like to use the Binance chart. This is quant on the daily, but like I told you guys, quant is reversing. See, this morning, if I don't remember wrong, okay, come on, this morning, let me zoom out a little bit. Okay, take my arrow, place it. I told you guys this morning, you remember price was right here, and I said we are reversing because the ribbon was kind of going upwards. Okay, now you see what we did. We created this little W, broke into the ribbon, came back, retest, was almost rejected. Now we broke above it, and I told you this morning in my video, I said we are about to retest the 200 moving average. That's what we're about to retest. There's actually no resistance here until $104. That is what quant is looking to really break. So as you can see on the 4 hours, again, like clockwork, because I told you guys, this is what was happening. As soon as this doji candle was formed, quant is going to go retest the moving the ribbon. After retesting the ribbon, we are going to break above this and retest. See that? The moving average, and the main resistance, like I said, is somewhere up here at $104. So quant has already woken up. I told you guys in my last video, 24 hours. In 24 hours, you're about to see this move you're just seeing right now is just the start of that bigger move in 24 hours. Now let's look at Jasmine real quick. JAS, Jasmine. Here you go. If you look at Jasmine, I would take my Binance. No, I don't like that one. I like the USDT. It's more detail. It's more detail. USDT, Jasmine USDT. This one. That's the one I like to take. And what did I tell you guys? Okay, if you go on the 1 hour, let's take the 1 hour charts. A lot of guys were panicking, okay, yesterday, and I told you there is no point, there's no need to panic, because what is happening here is just simple. We broke above, and I told you guys Jasmine was retesting the moving average. Now what we did, we bounced up. Now we are creating a W. You see that? That is 1 and 2, with the resistance right here at 3 points, almost 4 cents on the dollar. Jasmine will break the 4 cents, retest it, and go try the really what you call it, resistance is at 5 cents on the dollar. That is where we have a resistance, 5 cents. So Jasmine is taking off, just like the rest of the coins that we talk about. Now if you look at it in another dimension, in another picture, you will see that Jasmine is an uptrend. Okay, let me go to the weekly. The weekly, this is what is more important in the Jasmine's price. We formed this bull flag. Last time I told you guys about it. Okay, it broke out. If you take the measurement, which is from here to here, and you press this on the breakout point, Jasmine target for this move is 9 cents. Yes, we have resistance at 5 cents, but after we break the 5 cents, confirm it, we are going to the races to 9 cents. So congratulations to all of you. Okay, let me go back here. So congratulations to all of you who used the signals and followed me into creating a trades, because I know right now you are sitting in some nice profitable and some nice juicy gains. Now all that said, I'm always transparent with you guys. I'm not like other YouTubers who say one thing and do another thing. Okay, so right now let's go into my trades to see how how my trades have performed for the past few hours. Although, like I said the last time, it's just in 24 hours you're about to see. Okay, let's go first to my long-term trades that are on Bydfi. Okay, as you can see, this is my Bydfi account. Opening up. Those of you who followed, you remember. Okay, remember it is something that I keep the receipts. I do keep the receipts. Go back on my videos and you'll see this total. My total has been growing up nice and easily. Okay, now let's check on my contracts. I told you Quant was blowing up. Quant has started. See, Quant, I was up less than 1%, but now I am up 7%. Under finance, we're using it for the exchange fees. You can see I did close it to fund my to scale up my Jasmine and the rest of the trades, and then I open up another trade. As you can see, that trade is up 1%. Okay, so let's go back down. You can see Jasmine. Like I said, Jasmine is a money maker for this run. You see here, my Jasmine is up 86%. Now the king himself, look at the king. I told you guys, if you can remember, go back on my videos. I always keep a receipt. Go back on my videos. My Casper is up 65%. Okay, not just 65%. And these trades are the ones that are, like I said, I plan to keep them open to the top or close to the top of the bull run, because nobody knows where the top is going to be. Okay, now let's go look at my short-term trades. Okay, I do have my short-term trades on my Phemex account. Okay, here's my Phemex. Let's start with the total. Like I said, you guys been following me, you know I started growing this account again. I took profits yesterday and the profit drops, but like you can see, as you can see, the profits are going back up. So right now we are at $7,000 in total profit. We look at the contracts. You see right now my Jasmine contract is up 53%. Okay, and as I was telling you guys that Casper was reversing, go back and look at my previous video. Like I said, I keep my receipts. You see my Casper trade, I'm up already. You see that? 20%. Those are moves that I gave you guys that the market was reversing. So again, congratulations to all of you who joined in this, who took this trade, and you are sitting in some nice juicy gains. This is what we do in this my millionaire journey. Okay, I don't want to get there alone. I'm looking for like-minded people who will follow me, and we will go from zero to a millionaire status. Like I said, I don't tell you guys something that I'm not doing. So I show you my trades, I show you my receipt, and you can always go back on all my videos. You can always go back. I have a video on Quant right now. I want to show you guys why I'm so bullish and why I know that Quant is about to take off. Okay, July is almost on the corner, and after July, trust me, by August you probably are going to see Quant anything between $500 to $1,000. Quant is getting ready to take off. I'm going to finish up that video and I'll upload it for you guys so that you can you know, catch up with what is going on with Quant. Okay, so guys, again, thank you very much for checking my video. Please like, subscribe, and comment. You know, share this video so that other people, other like-minded people like you and me can see this and they can use that as a motivation, not financial advice, of course, as a motivation. Like I said, I show you what I do. Complete honesty. I believe if you are honest with people, your life will be very, very easy. Okay, so again, thank you for checking out my videos, and I will see you in the next one.